Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby Channel. This is a review of HGD1 rear-wheel drive drift car. This is a 1/20th scale rear-wheel drive drift car with adjustable wheelbase from 86mm to 116mm at an increment of 2mm. So you can use Mini Z body as well as 1/24 scale model as a body. It is based off of the Mini Q5 OP, which is a pretty good car. So you can think of it as Mini Q5 OP rear-wheel drive drift mod. The chassis plates are carbon fiber, and the bulkheads are aluminum. It uses Mini Z all-wheel drive wheels and differential, so you have a lot of upgrade options. It comes with solid axle, and you can change it to ball differential very easily if you want. It has adjustable camber, toe, and front width. You can also tune the ride height using this ring from Mini Z and put it on the lower pole of the knuckle. In Banggood, there are 3 packages to choose from. First, chassis only. You'll have to provide your own wheels, tires, and all the electronics, including gyro and radio. And also, don't forget the battery, charger, and body. Next is the kit with brush motor, which is what I have. And the last one is the kit with brushless motor. Both of them come with a mini gyro, a battery, a charger, and a set of wheels and tires. So you'll only have to provide your own radio and body. Unless you already have everything, I highly recommend a kit with electronics, either brushed or brushless. Brushed system got the ESC from Dumbo RC, and it is really smooth. You can also install a low voltage alarm on it. As for the brushless, it comes with Mini Q brushless ESC, which is quite good. It'll power 3500 kV motor without any problem. The gyro is very good. It is the same unit as AGF, XRX, Yeah Racing, and Eco Racing. This car comes as a kit, so you'll have to build it. But don't worry, it is easy to build and also easy to set up. All the components for each part of the car are in the same bag, so you don't have to waste your time looking for the right screw or bearing. They'll just be there, and you can build it bag by bag. There's no manual, so you'll either have to rely on Mini-Q exploded view and photos on the internet, or find some build videos to follow. I'm going to tell you all the things to look out for right now, and I'll upload my build video in full length later. Before we go any further, I'd like to say thank you to everyone in the comment section of my unboxing video. You all have been a great help, especially Supercar Driver, Garage Mini RC UK, and Oranaps. I'm sorry if I got your names wrong. With all your advices, I got my car built and set up perfectly. Now, let's get on with the build. First thing to look out for are the wheel hub bearings. The sealed bearings go in the front, and the opened bearings go in the back. I took the bearings out to clean and didn't remember which one goes where, so at first my car didn't run at all. So please don't make the same mistake that I did. Also, make sure that the front wheels can spin freely and it'll run perfectly. It also needs a spacer under the top deck at the front to lift it up 2mm. Otherwise, the servo horn will hit the top deck and it won't be able to steer. Use soft double-sided tape to stick the gyro down to reduce the vibration. I use 2 layers of Tesa double-sided tape. Finally, don't forget to switch the gyro to match the type of your servo. If you get the kit with electronics, then the servo is digital. Next, let's look at my setup. The wheelbase is 90mm because I use Toyota AE86 body. The wheels are from Minizet Nissan GT-R and the tires are from the S-Racing LF3. The included tires are good, but these are better and smoother. Although the front width can be adjusted, there's only one width you can use. Extend the lower arms out all the way. Then push the top arms in a bit to create some camber. What I have here is 2 degrees camber. Then adjust these links to open up the front toe out. Here I have around 2 degrees of toe out. As for the back, I push the top arms all the way in for maximum camber, which is 5 degrees. This will give it minimum tires contact, and I can do slow drift very easily. And then adjust these 2 linkages to have 1 degree toe in. On the transmitter, I limit the steering endpoint to 94% and throttle endpoint to 40%. Gyro gain is also 40%. Now, let's see how it drifts. In conclusion, this is much easier to build, much easier to tune, and much easier to drive than Atomic DRZ. It has massive steering angle, so it won't spin out easily. However, it has a little bit of play in the steering, so it's not very precise. But with a bit of practice, I can put it exactly where I want. Parts quality is also really good. Everything fits together perfectly. There's no manual, but you can look up some build videos online. I only looked at some pictures from Super G Drift to build it. Well, I can build Minikube without manual, so that doesn't say much. Anyway, I'll upload my build video later. The only thing I don't like about this car is the battery compartment, or the lack of it. The way you insert the battery is shove it in anywhere that fits. I use Velcro to hold it in. All in all, I highly recommend this car for anyone who wants to start rear-wheel drive drifting. It is the easiest one to build and it is great to drive. If you look at the price, it is quite expensive, starting at $153 for chassis only. So I suggest you wait for a discount or use discount coupon or point to buy it. Still, if you get the kit with electronics, then servo, gyro and tires are very good and they are well worth the price. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook or social media for quick updates, written reviews, news, and see what I'm doing between videos. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.